This is the Arc Pro 165DS by YesWelder. It features a nice, bright digital display, as well as DINS connections for your leads. This allows you to easily switch the leads and run electrodes in DC electrode positive or DC electrode negative. You can also adjust the arc force. It comes with a 300 amp stinger and a quality ground clamp that has a braided copper shunt, connecting both sides of the clamp. And it even lets you select your electrode size to get a general amperage range for the electrode you are using. The Arc Pro 165DS is also capable of running TIG with the proper equipment. You can easily weld with this machine off of 110 volt or 220 volt power. The rated duty cycle for 110 volts at 120 amps is 40%, and the duty cycle for 220 volts at 160 amps is also 40%. To see this welder and YesWelder's other equipment, visit YesWelder.com.